On the ground, yeah, they do for do. I just spend my stack eye for eye if we talking loot. Ultimate go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abhijit, and in this video we will be looking how we can add React to our Django application. So a lot of people have requested me to create an video which helps you to integrate React in your Django application. So I'm doing this. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, and let's start this video. So I have created an entirely new Django project, and the name of the project is DJ React, and I haven't done anything yet. So I can again reload the page so you can see. So first of all, we need to add React to our application, and this should go in the base directory, inside the base directory. So for installing React we will use npx, and for npx you need to download node.js, and if you haven't installed node.js you can download it from the website. So let's create the entirely fresh React boilerplate. So we will be using npx, so we will write npx create React app, and the name of the app will be front end. You can name anything what you can want, so I'm using front end. So let's npx create the application, the boilerplate of the application. Till then what we can do is we can go to in our settings directory, and we can add the template directory which we will be using to render our React application. So as we know, React uses single index.html and just manipulate DOM to render the UI. So we will use that particular index.html for, and we need to give part to that directory, to the template directory. So the path, the directory name will be, first of all we need to import os, and I have already imported the os. So we will write os.path.join, os.path.join, and it will be base directory, and the name of the project is our front end, so it will definitely lie in the front end. So we will write the name of the project front end, and in front end there is a build folder. Inside build folder there will be a index.html file. We need to point that index.html to this one. So let's again create an views.py inside the root folder of our Django application, and we have to import render from Django dot shortcuts import render. We are going to import render from here, and let's create a function, index, name index, that will just return the index.html file. Okay, that will take index and it will just return index.html. Let's remove the underscore from here. So again let's go to our urls.py and just import the function which we have mentioned in our views.py. So from dot views let's import the function name index. I think we have named the index, I think so. That's the name of the function is index. Let's again just create an empty route for this. If someone goes to this one, that will call index function. So I think we have to wait for the npx to create an application, React application. So our React boilerplate is now ready. Let's cd into the project. Okay, cd front end, and we have got these files. Let's run a run command, npm run build, so that we can get the file which we want. So npm run build. So the build directory is now ready, and we will get index.html file over here which we have connected through the directory path over here, os.path.join base directory with frontend slash build, and we are rendering the index.html, which will be inside the this file, and React is just creating the index.html. Let's wait, and we have got the index.html file. Again, we have to just send the static file, which react generate all the javascript and react files in this folder, so we need to return those as well. So for this we need to create an static file list. So we can create static files underscore dirs, and again we have to just os.path.join again with the, we have to import, we have to join the base directory with this directory. So frontend slash build slash static, so all the static files reside in this folder, and these are the static files which are being generated by the React application. So let's again run a server, python manage.py run server. So let's again reload our page, and we have successfully integrated the React to our Django application. Let's again do some changes over here, and the changes which we are going to do is will reflect it over here. So again go to the let's remove the boilerplate code. Hello from code key, please subscribe. Okay, let's again run the npm run build command, and that will definitely make some changes over here. Let's again wait for the some seconds. So again reload the page. So as you can see, the changes are being reflected over here, and the static files are sent by the Django server, as you can see. So this is a short video for this, how you can add React to our Django application. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and please do like this video. Okay.